So the National Tobacco Program Control Program. So the National Tobacco Control Program, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, works in the policy formulation, planning, implementations, monitoring and evaluations of different activity under NTCP, National Tobacco Control Program. So the program is supervised by the in charge from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, in which the Joint Secretary and Director were involved. Technical assistance of the Deputy Directors General and Chief Medical Officers, launched by the Medical Officer Health and Family Welfare of India in 2007 to 2008 during 11th 5 year of plan. So the objective was that to bring about greater awareness about the harmful effects of the tobacco use and about the tobacco under control laws, to facilitate effective implementations of the tobacco control laws, reduce the production and the supply of tobacco products, and ensure effective implementations of the provisions made under the cigarette and about tobacco products. So the Prohibition and Advertisement and Regulation of Trade and Commerce of Productions, Supply and Distribution Act in 2003, COTPA, and help the people quit tobacco use through the tobacco cessation centers. So the scope of the National Tobacco Control Program, National Tobacco Control Program, mainly at the primordial and primary level, training of the health and social welfare NGOs and schools, teachers, enforcement officers, etc., like information, education, communication activities, school programs, and the monitoring of the tobacco and control laws, coordinations with the Panchayati Raj instructions for the village level activities, setting up and strengthening the sessions of facilities, including provision of pharmacological treatment facility and the district level. The NTCP is presently under the implementation in 21 states, covering 42 districts. From the next 12 5-year plan, the whole country will cover regular monitoring at the national and state level. Guideline brochures provided by NTCP, National Tobacco Control Programs. So, COTPA stands for Cigarette and Tobacco Products. So, Prohibition and Advertisement Act, Regulation and Trade and Commerce, Productions of Supply and Distribution. So, is in 2003. The Act is applicable to all the products containing tobacco in any form. The Act extends to the whole of the India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. So, impose the restriction and advertisement, promotions and sponsorship of the tobacco products. Prohibit smoke in the public places. Prohibit sale to any and by the minors. Prohibit sale of the tobacco product within a radius of 100 yards of the education institutions, and mandatory depictions of specified pictorial health warning on all the tobacco product packs. It doesn't ban tobacco products per se. However, the sale, production, is strong distribution of food product containing the tobacco and nicotine, such as gutka, have been prohibited under the Food Safety and Standard Prohibition and Restrictions on the Sale and Regulation in 2011, last dated 1st August 2011, second hand smoke for exhaled smoke and burning the cigarette. This third hand smoke, the residue from the tobacco smoke that clings to virtue all the surfaces long and after the BD cigarette has been extinguished, prove to be the potential health hazard. The biggest risk is the young children. Smokeless tobacco, to all the tobacco products that are consumed in the unburned form. Smokeless tobacco can be used orally and nasally. In India, using it as chewing tobacco with the whole with and without lime, gutka, canny, Zarda, etc. are the example of this smokeless tobaccos. Snuff is an example of mainly used form. The Global Act Tobacco Survey, the monitor adult tobacco use, track the key tobacco control indicators. National Nationally representative surveys are there. Use consistent and standard protocol crossing the countries, including the India. Assist the countries to generate useful dates like GATS in 2009 or 10, and then GATES 2 in 2016 and 17. And then we have a lot of surveys where the cigarette and cigarette tobacco are used, how many people use this tobaccos. So the tobacco use, smoking cause harm to every organ and decrease the overall general health. So the tobacco control is a part of Health People in 2020 follow program to eliminate exposure of the second-hand smoke, promote quitting among the adult and young, prevent initiations among the youth, and identify and eliminate disparities and among the population group, severity of the problem, leading cause of the preventive disease and death in 2000, in 1 in 5 adult smoke in 16 millions American live with the smoking related to the diseases. Second-hand smoke consists over 7,000 chemical, including 70 cancers causing chemicals. Severity of the problems like problem are the greater risk of heart diseases. Smoking can cause lung diseases. Smoking is directly responsible for approximately 90% of the lung diseases death. Cigarette smoking causes more than 4,84,80,000 death each year in the United States. In nobody smoked, one of every 3 cancer deaths in the US would not be happen. So the national program outcomes, national and state surveys are there, like to state youth and tobacco surveys, like behavior risk and surveillance system. National Adult Tobacco Survey, National Youth Tobacco Survey, State Tobacco Activities Tracking and Evaluation System, Youth Risk Behavior Surveillance System. So this is the desired charge to like decrease second-hand smoke exposure, increase use of tobacco restricted areas, then increase in the age to purchase the tobacco product, decrease youth in the young, decrease youth in the adult, decrease use in the pregnancy, increase cessation attempts in the current smoker, increase tobacco cessation counts.